Hi everyone, my name's Amber Emmell. I'm going to be working with Julie for the rest of the semester in Algebra 2 to learn more about becoming an online math teacher. Just a couple of pieces of information about me. I've been teaching high school math at Enosburg Falls High School up in Franklin County the past 5 years. I've been teaching Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and middle school math. Outside of school, I love being outdoors. I like hiking, walking, swimming. I'm really looking forward to some spring weather coming soon. Um, Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help support you in Algebra 2. I'm looking forward to working with each of you, especially as we get started on the statistics unit this spring. I've included some contact information here, so if you need to reach me, my email is aml@neoti.org. My cell phone number is listed here as well. I know that Julie is available via a phone call or a text message. That also works for me. Just let me know if you text me who you are. That way I can recognize your number and know that you're part of this class. And then I'll have the same office hours available as Julie, so you can sign up for an appointment in Canvas during that 7:30 to 9:30 time on Tuesday and Thursday evenings, or by another appointment if that doesn't work for you. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you guys and working together in Algebra 2 this spring. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe, and I look forward to meeting you soon.